Hello everyone, myself Rihan, and today I am going to speak about technology. Basically, technology is a powerful force that has changed the way we live, work, and think. From machines to mobile phones, technology has been changed our life. Technology is basically the use of tools, systems, and things which makes our life easier and help us to solve several kind of problems. Technology includes computers, mobile phones, AI, the IoT, Internet of Things, and many more. Historically, technology was came into force after the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century when steam engines came, and in 19th century, electricity, telephone, and the telegraph systems were bring technology in our daily lives. In the 20th century and 21st century, the things like computers, digital smartphones, AI have came in power, and the technology has been become the part of everyone's life. We use it part of everyone's daily lives. And nextly, I would say that technology has been contributed to a large amount in the India's GDP. That is around 8% of India's GDP. That is $283 billion. And nextly, I would say that around 5.8 million people are being employed in the IT sector of India, and it helps us in several sectors, like in education. The digital library, online classes help to provide education to the students. Nextly, the in the agriculture, it helps to take a good yield of crops with the help of sensors and drones to sprinkle water. And nextly, in healthcare, it helps in telemedicine, high level diagnostics, and some life saving treatments. Nextly, in banking and finance, it help in the online payment system and marketing. So I think that it is a good thing, but as we know that every fair coin has two faces. Same like this, technology have disadvantages too. First one is the cybercrime that happened due to it. Next one is misinfo that has been spread over the social media. And the largest one and the worst one is the e-waste, that is electronic waste, that mostly people throw the waste that have happened in factory, like the like the mobile phone, computer, laptops, and many things which have